Hi guys, so today I'm going to be using the Jawbreaker palette. I'm so excited. This is what the palette looks like. And then on the inside, these are the colors. I'm so excited to create a look with this. I've only used it once since I got it. I've probably had it for like a month, and I've only used this lavender. I just put it like all over my lid and blended it out, and it looked really nice. The formula was good, so I'm excited. I feel like it's gonna be good. So I'm not too sure what look I want to go for, but I want to use as many eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna start. I think I'm gonna start with bubblegum, this pink, and I'm just going to apply that into my crease. And I'm gonna use this Makeup Shack T12, this fluffy brush, and I'm also wearing star earrings for Jeffree Star. Let me know in the comments before I even start. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about Jeffree Star. Like, do you guys like support him? Do you watch his videos? Because I know there's like a lot of you know what I'm trying to say. Not a lot of people like him, so let me know down below what you guys think about him. Okay, so I'm gonna take bubblegum. I'm gonna put that in my crease. I want to use as many colors as I can, so this first color, I'm putting it in my crease, but trying to go a little above it so you can see it once I finish the look, since we're going to be adding so many colors. And I'm so sorry, you guys. Literally, there's an old man mowing the lawn, like, right in front of me. So if you hear that, just ignore it, please. So next, I'm going to use the M332, another blending brush. This one's a little bit more dense, so it's going to be a little bit better to get into the crease. I'm going to go ahead and use Gumdrop, the lavender color that I told you guys that I've already used. That one right there. And just start adding this right below the pink. I'm going to be adding this baby blue color called Brain Freeze, and I'm going to be using the same brush, the M332. I just went ahead and cleaned off the lavender off of it, and I'm going to be adding this into my crease as well, but focusing it in the inner third of my crease. So I really like how that looks, but I just want to go ahead and darken up this area, the outer third of my crease. So I'm just going to use the same brush and go back in with Gumdrop, the lavender color, and just pack on more of that color onto the outer third of my crease. So to finish off the crease, I'm just going to go back in with the pink bubblegum, and using the same brush that I used to apply it to begin with, I just want that color to pop out a little more, so I'm just going to go above my crease once more with the pink and just blend the lavender and the blue, just blending out those edges and making sure that you can see that pink popping out. So I'm finished with my crease, and I kind of want to do like a cut crease type of look. So I'm going to try to cut my crease with concealer. Sorry, my dog's in here, so you might hear him too. But yeah, I'm going to use the Tarte concealer to cut my crease. And I'm not the best at this. I feel like my crease folds awkwardly. So whenever I'm like cutting my crease, it looks fine. But then when I like look back, it just doesn't look as nice. So I'm just gonna attempt to cut my crease. I hope it looks good because my crease right now looks really nice, so I don't want to get it up. So I'm using the Morphe E32. Let me see, it just is like this rounded flat brush. So what I'm going to do to try to make it look as good as possible, I'm not going to like lift my brows to make it easier for me to like cut my crease. I'm just gonna like keep my face, what's that word, like I'm not going to do that. Just relax. I'm gonna relax my face. Oh my god, I'm just gonna relax my face. And I know I said I was gonna like relax my face, but it's so hard to go over the folds in my eye. So I kind of have to like stretch my face out or like lift my brows. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So there's that eye. I'm kind of really into my crease right now. I don't know if I should do virgin or cotton candy in my crease. Like, should I just keep it white or should I do the shimmery pink? I'm gonna keep it white. Keep it white. So I'm just gonna take my finger, virgin, and just pat it right on top of the concealer. I feel like my finger just applies eyeshadow to my lid the best, but I am going to go in with a brush as well to make sure the edges are looking nice. I'm going to take this one. It's the Makeup Shack T6. Just going to pack virgin all over it and then just press it. Go ahead and deepen up the outer corners. So first I'm going to take Gumdrop again, the lavender with the M22. It's this really precise, dense, pointed brush. Take Gumdrop and pack it into the outer V. Okay, next I'm going to take Soaked, this like royal blue color. Can you see this one? And start to define the outer V. Alright guys, so I'm finished with my eyeshadow and I'm obsessed with it. It looks so good. It looks like cotton candy. It just looks so good. So I'm going to finish my face and then I'll come back once I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and add, so I finished my face and I'm going to add some eyeshadow to my lower lash line. I'm going to start with the color Soaked, that royal blue that we used in the outer corner. And I'm taking the Morphe R43. And it's a really small flat shader brush. And I'm going to focus it on like 3/4, the outer 3/4 of my lower lash line. So next I'm going to take Bubblegum, the pink color that I used in my crease, and I'm just going to take this fluffy flat brush and buff out that color. Kind of connecting it to the, because I added pink on this, on my crease. So I'm kind of connecting the pink that I'm adding to my lower lash line to the pink that I added in my crease. So I decided that I really want to use Jawbreaker, the shimmering pink in the palette, this one. So I think I'm just going to add a little bit into my inner corners, in the inner corner of my eye. So I'm going to take this Morphe E36. It's this really small precise brush, and I'm going to spray it with some setting spray first, and then take some of, oh, it's actually called Cotton Candy. Sorry, I said Jawbreaker. It's called Cotton Candy. I'm just going, or should I? I'm going to ruin it. I'm going to add it to my lower lash line first, like the inner third, right here. Okay, that's cute. I want to take, I would like want something shimmery in my inner corners, so I'm going to take Snack. It's like a shimmering, oh, shimmery baby pink. So I'm going to use that in my inner corners. Let's see. Looks good. I have a blue. Yeah, I have a blue pencil. I think I'm going to add it to my waterline, my lower lash line, lower waterline. I don't even say which one I'm using. It's a NYX eyeliner pencil in Sunrise Blue. Okay, so to finish the look, I'm gonna add a lipstick. So for lips, I'm going to start by lining it with my favorite brown by NYX. So for lip, like I do a lot when I do my lips. So next I'm gonna take Soft Spoken and use with this pencil. I'm pretty much going to go over the brown that I just put on and kind of like blend it out. Next, I'm gonna take another lip liner. This one's called Dolly Pink by NYX, and I'm gonna fill my lips in with this one. then to top it off, I'm going to take NYX Butter Gloss in Sugar Cookie. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I love it. I love how it looks. I love this palette. Like, it really makes me want to buy more Jeffree Star eyeshadows because I felt like I was like playing with crayons. Like, it was just so effortless. Like, the colors blended well. No fallout, nothing, like no complaints with any of the eyeshadows. Sometimes I feel like when I start blending more than one color in my eyes, they kind of like mesh and create like an ugly color, but these like stood out on their own. Like, they didn't, sorry, they didn't like overlap each other and mix to create like an ugly color, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm making sense, but get this palette. I love it so much. So cute. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys, sorry, I'm like sweating. Let me know in the comments below if you guys support Jeffree Star, like buy his cosmetics, or what you think of him. I don't know what to think of him. Like, I feel like I don't really know exactly why people hate him so much. So let me know in the comments, like, why people hate him, or if you hate him, or if you like him, or I don't know, just like your thoughts on Jeffree Star. But yeah, if you don't care, grab this palette because it's so good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.